Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you all into my home once again. Go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever you're choosing to drink. This video is about harvest time. All right, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy as we put our garden together for the summer. Guys, scripture referencing is Genesis chapter 8, verse 22. While the earth remains, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, winter and summer, and day and night shall not cease. Perfect scripture, as this is part of the collaboration that is hosted by Heaven's Pearls. And this video, put together by my husband and I, we'll be planting our summer garden. As you can see, seed plus time equals a harvest.
These are worms already.
Already blowing. That mud is kind of green. Not quite sure where we're gonna put these because they require full sun. So we have 3 of them, and most of our place is shaded. So I'm gonna try to work within this space here. We have some green bell peppers, some I think red bell peppers, sweet. Got a few cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. That's pretty much all we wanted some cucumbers, but Lowe's did not have any. So we'll have to see if we can find those someplace else. All right, so we're gonna start working and get these things planted. What is that, the red pepper?
This is the red pepper.
Red bell pepper. So these are how the plants look that we got from Lowe's. They were all droopy, so when we brought them home, we just put them in water, and we're waiting until the next morning to put them in the ground. And this one is the banana pepper.
Hybrid.
That says hot.
Oh man. Did the rest of them say hot?
I hope not. Oh my goodness, we got hot banana peppers. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna take these back.
How are we gonna take them back? You just put it in the ground.
If we have one more that says hot,
We'll take them back. We don't do hot
No, we
that
don't.
much around here, guys. So that definitely was a mistake. A hot banana pepper. So we're mixing these up. We've got the green bell pepper here, and then this was supposed to be the banana, but it's hot. And then this next one is that the red?
Red.
This one is a red. And we're not doing anything really fancy. We are just sticking our plants in the ground because we are overcome by deer and squirrels. So we're hoping we'll get something, but the likelihood is somewhat slim to none, but who knows? They may not want to hang out here this year.
We don't have
Okay.
sweet pepper.
Bonnie green bell, sweet pepper. Yep.
That's what we want.
So here we also have some trees that are coming from.
There's another hot.
You got another hot?
Yeah, let's just take these real quick. Yeah, I don't want these. One more hot. That's it. What do you want?
Just leave one hot.
So you don't want to change it?
These maple trees that are coming up here. These are also out in the garden. Just these came from my Mama Love's house. And this one in the pot here is one that came from where? From our tree over there on the side. So this one came from the tree that we have up front. And then these came from my Mom and Love's. She have a couple trees that hubby gifted her, and these were very tiny last year, so they are growing. And we just kind of randomly sat them out here in the garden.
Oh, they'll grow.
Yeah.
We're going to transplant a few of them.
And then we have a grape vine here. What we need to do here is we're going to put us up a pole or something and just let it run. Hey guys, as I stated, this video is part of the collaboration that is hosted by the beautiful ladies of Heaven's Pearls, and its members are Tablescapes by Candy, also DIY Designs by CCW, which is one and the same, Decorating with Jazigreen, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is Anna, Designers Loft, you will find D, and Creations by Simone. These are their current members, and all of their channel links will be in my description box below. So I'm back over here at the garden, and this was the green bell pepper, and so was
This is the hot banana.
another hot banana. So we got 2 hot bananas. We thought we were just getting regular banana peppers. So we've got so basically we only have the peppers here, so we need to do the tomatoes. And so we've done 1 tomato here. And then we have 1 more tomato plant left here, maybe 2. So what we'll probably do once we get everything planted, we'll get some straw and bring it in here for that patina. And that will be it. After that's done, we'll sit back and wait and see what actually comes through. And this is the plant that my mom gave to us that volunteers, and then these are the little offsprings of that plant. So our garden is going to be very colorful with flowers. Lots of offsprings out here. I like the volunteer plants that come up. Guys, don't forget to come back later this week for part 2. So we decided we take and remove these plants here, these flowers, and we're going to transition them to the end where the rest of these are. And put them all together, and hopefully when they all start to bloom, that we'll have a beautiful floral garden inside the garden. Hey, who knows? May make a floral garden. And we have a lot of volunteer flowers. Because of course, hubby does not get rid of anything that looks like it has an ounce of life. So we're having to make space for those blueberry bushes, and I'm checking here for the sunlight, hoping that there will be enough space for the sun to peek through of the shade of these other trees that we have. And you guys are going to have to come back and see how we continue to clear out the rest of this space. We had to make space for the grapevine, and that tree that you saw there in the center, we may have to remove that. But this is the home of where we place the blueberry bushes, are right here in this area here. So guys, as I prepare for the reveal, let me know what you think of the rose that my husband made by using the hoe, and let me know what you think of our garden. Now, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to be a part of this family, and it's so easy. Just hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified each and every time that there's an upload made here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, I thank you guys so much. Don't forget to check out the host of this collaboration. Be blessed and take care, and we shall wait to see if we can reap from our harvest, as seed time plus harvest, hard work, will give us a great harvest, we hope. Have you planted your seed? Any seeds? Any seed at all? All right, guys, think about that. Be blessed, take care, and until the next time, seed plus time and hard work equals a great harvest.